What's up? Today we're going to a little town called McKinney. I'm planning on meeting up with a buddy of mine. His name is David. If you don't follow him already, you gotta check him out on Instagram. This kid does some really great work. Another thing is, I never really talked about the camera. I didn't talk about what I was doing with it. So the reason I wanted to try out the 360, the Insta360 here, is because I don't have to worry about my frame up or anything. I can literally just clip it on and then concentrate on what I'm taking pictures of, and I don't have to think about it. I can worry about that later. It didn't have the greatest low light shots. You can see that in the last video, in the low light stuff right before the sun came up. The shots were a little grainy, but it does the job. So I've never shot out here before, but I've always been interested in it because it's got like that old town feel. Hey everyone, this is David, and we met up. We're gonna shoot here in McKinney, and we're just gonna walk around and grab some shots. Look at this. So I'm on my long lens right now, so I'm like,
sometimes it's easier to get like nice street shots when you have a long lens.
I feel the same way. That's so.
Because I know a lot of people are like, oh, you have to go like with a 16 or like I'm using 23 right now,
Yeah.
but I often use the 55-200 on here just because you're less invasive to people.
That's exactly how I feel. That's why I tend to go on this guy when I'm out on the street. People don't like feel like I'm in their business. Just catching this because I thought the light looked cool. This is cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, my ISO's way up. Get a reflection with a telephoto. I don't normally try that.
What do you think about the whole Instagram thing?
Man, I don't know. Did you see what they said? What the guy said?
I'm pretty over it. I mean, it was already like getting to the point where it was like impossible. Like
yeah, you have to do so much just to get anyone to like get eyes on your stuff, right?
It was actually around the election last year.
Yeah.
When they started like suppressing things, right?
Really? Oh so yeah, that's right. The hashtags went away, right?
Like crazy.
Yeah.
Until right when the hashtags got turned off, they never like. They did something else too. I've been at the same like following, like followers wise, for probably about 6 months.
Really?
Yeah.
But before that, you were going up.
Yeah, it was going up.
And you had
steadily,
man.
And then all of a sudden, it just like flatlined.
I was gonna say because you have a good amount more than I do, so it just stopped growing.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's been flatlined for like a while.
That stinks.
No
man.
matter what I do, like.
Yeah.
A lot of people say you have to like do the reels and stuff.
I know, that's right.
I've never really been into like that kind of thing. So.
I totally understand. And even someone like me, I'm fine with doing video, except like most photographers on Instagram now, all you see them do is like wave their cameras around and like do the trendy stuff. Right down here. I'm gonna take this shot. It looks like you're in the middle of the street. Alright, I'm dropping my shutter down, opening it up a little bit. Such nice light down this way. Wait, what are you getting?
I was hoping to use the lineup.
Oh. This is a little tough, huh? Yeah.
If you don't mind, I might switch. I brought my film.
What you got?
Minolta.
Dude.
SRT.
How do you get your stuff developed?
Fort Worth Photo Lab.
Fort Worth Photo.
They do photo walks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I met them and they're really cool.
Fort Worth Photo Lab.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a kid playing a guitar out here earlier that I got a shot of.
Oh, you're left?
Is he still out here? Yeah. He's not here
I
anymore.
feel like this is like prime time.
Yeah, I know. Maybe he got kicked out or something. I'm gonna get a shot right down here.
Who knows?
Looking for shots, especially city shots, is if you find lighting that you really like, kind of waiting for the right shot to happen. Yeah, definitely. Let me get this first and then we. Alright. I dropped my shutter, or not dropped it, sorry. Increased my shutter speed so that the water tower here won't be blown out. I can bring back the shadows in post a little bit if I want to. Up on the back building?
Back building, there's really old ones that have been scraped off.
Oh yeah. That's cool. How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you guys?
I'm great.
Good. Look at these clouds. So I'm just gonna grab a picture just because they look cool to me. Maybe I'll get that bird sitting up on its wire. I don't know if I got focus on that. That's hard to grab focus on. I want to like wait till someone's walking across here and get a shot right here. I guess the background's not that great, but oh, look at this. I'm not gonna be quick enough. Nope.
What are you guys taking pictures of?
Anything and everything.
Just the streets, man.
That's a good place to do it.
Yeah, I know. It's beautiful out
It's
here.
been a phenomenon. You know, we've owned this building for about 20 years, and just like the last few years, the whole photography.
Yeah.
Because for years we never saw anybody taking pictures down here.
Yeah.
The last few years, it's just like right.
It's not like a lot of the other places that are popping up around, you know,
Exactly. That's right.
in North Texas.
It's a real deal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's got character.
Yeah. Hey, glad to see you guys
Yeah.
taking pictures down there. Keep
Yeah.
it up, man. Y'all have
Thanks.
a good one.
Bike cops. Do you mind walking across that street over here?
No, not at all.
I just went at it.
I think I got it.
I'll try to get this bike here. Right? Like, I think I was tracking him pretty good because he's pretty, well, I mean, not.
That's about as good as you're gonna get.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Good. That's good.
So even then, the trails aren't as big as I want them to be, right? Like, so I guess I gotta go like way lower on the shutter.
He needs to be going faster too.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
I like this.
Oh yeah. I'll stand. I'll do cover for you like this, so you can just like shoot over my shoulder.
There we go.
Got it. Dude, that's good.
Lighten it up.
Oh, look, hold on. Show that to the camera. Yeah, that's a good shot. So I grew up in Long Island, New York, and then I went to college in Boston. And so Boston's like where I did most. Boston's a beautiful city, and it's got history, character, all kinds of stuff. It's great. Great. I used to go into the city with my buddies and just take shots back in the day. I don't even have any of those photos anymore, which is pretty sad because it's like old hard drives, and I wasn't
you don't back them up.
And the problem is like I didn't value it as much back then because I was just having fun with my friends.
Right.
And like now I look back and I'm like, man, I probably have some really nice shots of the city. Got these clouds in the back here. I'm gonna try this. So we got lights in the front, and then we got the clouds in the back, and I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit here.
Like the light.
Hey man, look.
Ooh, you get the glow?
Yeah, man. So I think I really like the contrast between the orange and the blues.
Mm-hmm.
Am I in your shot? Oh, nice. That's awesome. Oh, it's a cool sign. I want to get that sign. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
I thought that was reflection. Is it? That was a reflection. It was just the shape of the window. Thanks for coming out, man. Let's do it again sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no, let's just let me know when. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
See ya.
See ya. That was fun. I probably didn't get as much as I would have liked. I was talking a lot. We were just hanging out. So it was a good time though. Like a lot of fun just walking around. I suggest if you are a new photographer, or if you don't feel super comfortable out on the street taking photos just randomly, find some friends, grab a group of people who like to take photos, and just make it your aim for the day to like go ahead and get some shots. It makes you more comfortable doing a thing while other people are doing it. If that's you, some people don't care about that, but it's all in your personality, I would say.